What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. And I just wanted to do a quick Thursday update because a few things have kind of changed. So, Bitcoin got denied again. My bank declined the payment again, even though I told them the first time that was not fraud. And I've seen this and I've heard this from other people where no matter what they did, their banks just would not release the funds. It's like, and it always happens around Bitcoin. And I don't understand why they are, I don't know if it's the rules or if they just don't want to lose their grip on your money, that they're making it tough to put money onto these wallets. And I don't know if it's just the wallet that I got. You know, they use Simplex. I don't know if anyone's heard of Simplex, but Simplex is the third-party app that takes the money from your bank and puts it into your wallet. And from their end, it looked like everything was good. They says you're processing. The first time I tried, it got denied immediately. This time it took 2 days, and my bank just flat out said no. And not a cent was taken out of my account. Not a cent. Usually, sometimes it would be taken out, and then, oh crap, it's on hold, and then you have to wait for it to come back. No, nothing came out. So I'm still working on it. And Simplex is not exactly an easy company to get a hold of. You have to submit a ticket, and they didn't even give me like a ticket confirmation. Like, okay, all right, we'll call you back. So I don't know if it was if I got the Trezor or the Ledger or the other ones, maybe they have a better third-party software type people that make, maybe the payments will go through a little bit easier. But the only thing that steered me away from those is they have Bluetooth on them, so I don't know. It's kind of why I stayed away from Bitcoin to begin with, because everything is a pain in the arse when it comes to Bitcoin. And look at this, it went up 8 something percent today. Almost 8.5% today, Bitcoin. What? That would have been nice if I got in somewhere down here, if everything went through. But yeah, I'm still working on the Bitcoin. I'm going to have to call my bank and figure out what's going on there. I'm going to still try. I would like to put some money into the Bitcoin at some point. CEI, I got filled at $1.10. And it went down to $1.07. Post closed. And just that 3-cent difference, I was down like 80 something bucks. That's why I only put 500 bucks in there. You put big money on this and it moves a couple of cents, dude, it does some damage. But if this thing goes where I think it's going, I'm gonna be dancing. I'm gonna come up with some new dance that nobody's ever seen before. It's gonna be glorious. MetLife started popping back up today, and this is another thing we're gonna see, because I always hear the argument like long-term hold and trading the charts. With Forex, the charts are so freaking confusing, and you get these swing breaks and they don't even matter. You get head and shoulders and they don't even matter. How is it in the stock market? Because this is a little bit slower and a little bit more calm, this particular stock. But we have for a monthly candle action, that is a little concerning. Yeah, that's definitely a little bit concerning. I wonder what Lux has to say. But we definitely have on the daily, we're getting strong sell with Lux Algos telling us to get the hell out. Okay, Mr. Luxy, thank you. So this is a bearish rotation. We closed below the last swing low. So I'm gonna leave my take profit right where it is. I may even bring it down a little bit, see if I can. I hope this doesn't hold here at this trend line, because then no matter what, I'm taking the loss. I'm hoping that this thing will pop up through and hopefully come hit shoulder and then go. But we'll see. We'll see if it's like a bad idea to, you know, I have a monthly candle action I don't like, and we have a daily pattern that I don't like. So there's two signs like, hey, and then Luxy. And Luxy's telling me to get out too. So I got three things telling me to get out of this trade. And I'm already in the negative. Not by a lot, but let's see, we're at 64. I think I got in at like 66, but I have like, I don't know, 1,200 bucks in there. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm just gonna let it kind of. If this thing does not come up to shoulder and looks like it's gonna start heading down, I might just take the loss. I don't know. But GLDG is doing it's doing pretty good, even though this is starting to look like weakness. This spotty correcting kind of it's not moving up straight. It's kind of like jagged. I don't know if this will start picking up again or what. But you see back here, oh, see? It starts getting jaggy, it starts going down. Oh, I don't know, but then it went straight up. Yeah, GLDG I'm gonna hold. I don't care. I do not care. I'm holding this till $3, and that's it. Euro USD, we are up $181 as of today. That is a nice daily candle action. I really dig those. So we'll see what happens. Again, you see these and you're like, damn it, why didn't I put more in? I don't know. It wouldn't surprise me if this thing came down and broke this, this trend line, and then did some fakery and shakery and then flew back up. But, this thing very well could just go straight back up from here, and we'll never have this position in the negative again. I don't know. And yes, there's a bunch of money on the table right now. Is it a mistake not to take it? I want to see, what a long-term hold will do in the foreign exchange, even though it's 50 times leverage and it gets really uncomfortable quick. I want to see. I think now's the time. Now's the time. If you're going to try a long-term hold, we're there. We're there right now. So I'm going to do it. Even if this is like, one of the worst losses I ever took, I'm going to do it. This is for learning how to trade this and make money. And if you have a full-time job, it's too hard. It's way too hard to catch the 4-hour and daily little swings. So I'm going for the big picture. And obviously, we're going to have to be very patient. And we're just going to have to be vigilant. You know what I mean? We have to just let it go. Pretty much. GBP NZD, we're up a little bit. 42 bucks. Been pretty slow. And I threw another order for 20,000 units right down at, this area, figuring maybe they might try some fakery and shakery, shoot it down, get people out. But I'll be adding on. I will be adding on. If they shoot this down, I'm going to be picking up some more of this, heading to the upside, because, yeah, monthly bullish rotation to the upside. Monthly buying pressure. Yeah, I kind of like this, even though on the 6-month chart this looks bearish, but right now, shorter term, this looks bullish. And this might not be the super long-term hold. I'm just looking for a swing here. But Euro USD might be like an entire year that we hold that. and Aussie New Zealand as well. This might be a pretty... This could be 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, I don't know. I want to get to here. So right now we're up 263 bucks. So here's the thing, we have a double top, and now we have a clear, we have a break in trend. We broke this trend line. We have a swing break to the downside. Yes, there's buyers here. As this wick showing, there's some buyers here. But it seems like we came up and we're retesting this trend line, and there was, look at this wick. There's sellers there too. So come on, sellers, just sell it all, please. But we'll see what happens. I want a long-term hold, and it would not surprise me in the least if this thing came flying up, broke the trend line, and I was in the negative for like a month, and then it came back my way. Wouldn't surprise me. I just want to see what would happen if I hold something long-term, looking at the bigger picture, and that's what we're going to do. I honestly haven't even been checking my phone. I'll check it like once in a while if I have time. I try to maybe check it in the morning, check it in the afternoon, but that's it. I'm not like obsessing over it all day like I used to be. I used to like every second I got, I'd be like, what's it doing? Oh my god. And I think that was toxic too. I need to just like relax and let things play out. NZD USD, I have an order sitting at the 618 Fibonacci retracement level. I wasn't okay with here or here, so I went with 618. If this thing comes down to there, yeah, I'm in. I'm in for more upside. USD Mexican peso, I tried 3 times. I set 3 different orders. I moved it down, and I never got filled. It is what it is, but that's a nice bearish engulfing daily candle close. So I don't know if this is maybe a retracement and then more upside, or I don't think so. I don't know. That's a bearish engulfing on the daily. We had indecision the day before. I think this is coming straight back down. That's what I think, but I could be wrong, and we'll see. But at this point, I don't know. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna leave those alone, because with the trades I have, if there is some drawdown, I might need my available funds so I don't get stopped out. So I want to have more than enough funds to swing what we got going, because I'm going for some long-term moves here. And if all 3 of these draw down at the same time and I'm in the negative, I'm gonna need the money sitting there doing nothing. So yeah, but anyways, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick update, and there it is. See ya in the next one.